Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to set up or install your MI Wi-Fi camera in your Android mobile. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to configure or set up your MI camera in your Android mobile, then I'll show you simple method to do this. First of all, you have to connect your adapter pin to this MI camera. You can see this is the power adapter slot. Just insert this connector pin to here, and first you have to reset this. You can see a reset button. Just hold at least for 10 to 12 seconds.
Reset complete. Device booting. Please wait.
Now you,
Scan QR code to pair the device.
now you will hear a confirmation that reset complete and the device will be reboot. After that, you have to take your mobile and install one application from the Play Store. Search for MI camera. I had already installed, then tap to open.
Scan QR code to pair the device. Waiting for connection.
After opening this MI camera app, you will see this type of interface. Just tap to sign in. If you have already created your account, then just enter this your email ID here. If you have not created your account, then tap to create account below. You can see below sign in, you will find create account. Just tap on this. Here you have to select your country, enter your email address, then you have to set your password for this camera, and again you have to confirm your password same. Just tap on I read and tap on next. Then you will get
For connection.
one confirmation OTP in your registered email ID. Just you have to enter that OTP in this app. After that, your account will be created. Then go back, then enter your email ID here. After entering the email ID and password, just tick mark this option, then tap to sign in.
Waiting for connection.
Send a verification to your email ID. Just open your email ID. Enter that verification code in this.
Waiting for connection.
Then tap to submit. Now it's signed in. After that, you can see here plus mark in top right side corner. Tap on that, then tap on add a device. Then tap on set now.
Waiting
You
for
have to
connection.
enable the location, then go back. You have to enable the Bluetooth. Tap on allow. Now it will start to detect
Waiting for
your
connection.
camera. Select your camera. It is asking for a device reset. I had already resetted. You have to make sure that you have turned on your Wi-Fi.
Waiting for connection.
Here you will find the camera. Just select that camera and it will start connecting. Now it's connected. Then go back.
Waiting for connection.
Here you will find your MI home security camera. Just tap to select. Now you have to select your Wi-Fi and enter your Wi-Fi password. Then tap on OK. Then tap on next.
Waiting for connection.
Tap to reload again.
Waiting for connection.
If it's not connecting, then you have to reset it once again. Just hold this button at least 10 to 15 seconds.
Reset complete. Device booting. Please wait.
You'll
Waiting
hear a
for
confirmation.
connection.
Reset completed and the device will reboot. Now you have to tap on
Scan QR
reload.
code to pair the device.
After
Waiting
reset,
for connection.
you have to tap on reload again. Then you will get a QR code. Just you have to hold this camera and you have to show this camera QR code.
Scanned successfully.
And it,
Connecting. Please wait.
and it will automatically scan the QR code.
Connection to Wi-Fi completed.
Now just tick mark this option.
Pairing to account completed.
Here it scanned
Device online.
successfully. Then tap on next. After that, the indication will be changed to blue. Now you can see connected successfully. Set the room. Just select it is living room or bedroom or whatever it may be. Just I will select as bedroom. Then tap on OK. Next. You can set name whatever you want. I will set as default name video camera. Then tap on next. You can see large display card on the home page. Just tap on next. If you want to share this camera to your family members, you can share this home. It will show a QR code. Within 10 minutes you have to scan that QR code and you have to configure that camera settings in your family members within 10 minutes. Just tap on share this home. Here you will find the QR code. This QR code is valid for 10 minutes. This invitation can only be accepted once. Make sure that both people have selected the same region. After that, then go back, then tap on don't share now. Don't share now. Tap on agree. And you can see the camera has been configured successfully in your mobile. That's it guys. So in this way you can configure or set up your MI Wi-Fi camera in your Android mobile. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.